Hey vibes, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Brooklyn. This is Vibe with Brooklyn. And on this channel, I get into a ton of beauty, skin reviews, health topics, tips, and just like the list really goes on. So if you love any of that stuff and you want to join the Vibe Squad, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. I would love to have you. So I'm talking all about my juice journey that I have recently hopped on. If you guys don't know, I am someone who loves drinking juice. I'm a smoothie queen, a juice queen, a greens person. I grew up on a very young age, like knowing and understanding what juicing was. So I decided, I feel like I fell off of the whole juice trend for a while. I feel like COVID kind of did that to me. And so I am now trying to get back into the swing of things and remembering that juice really is life. So today I'm just talking juice and my juicer. I have been getting a lot of questions and comments asking me, what juicer am I using? How am I making so much juice? How am I staying consistent with it? And I'm here to answer, kind of talk through those questions that people have been asking me from a universal standpoint. So with that being said, I'm going to start off by saying that when you're juicing is a commitment, and it's also financially a lot of money. It's not a cheap thing to do whatsoever in order to keep up with it. So a lot of people want the ease and convenience of going to a store, grabbing their juice, bringing it home, or just drinking it on the go. That stuff is pricey because of how convenient it is to do that versus when you juice at home. It can be a lot, and I have had many juicers in the past, and my biggest issue with most of these juicers have always been the cleaning process. Like, cleaning a juicer alone will have you being like, forget it, I'm gonna just go up to the juice store, get my juice for the week, and just go. But no, I have discovered the Namawell J2 juicer. This is like all over the place. You probably have seen it. This is not new. It's all over your feeds. I have been seeing it, which is the reason why I finally broke down and bought it. I just woke up one day, and I was like, I'm gonna buy a juicer. Again, I've had many juicers, but I was like, I'm going to finally invest in one that is a little bit more expensive and really, really good. In this household, there are some things that, you know, my man kind of deals with, and we are both on a health juice journey together. So I am doing this for him and myself as well, but in support of him. So with that being said, this is the Nama J2 cold press juicer. It is considered to be a time-saving solution for the next generation of juicing, and I feel like 100% yes, it is. There are multiple things that I absolutely love about this juicer. I love how fast it is. I can make juice like that. I can literally put all the ingredients in, turn it on, and walk away and have juice for days. Now, if you want to keep your juice for longer than 3 days, you're going to want to freeze it. Otherwise, the juice is pretty much good for 2 to 3 days. But we all know that initial press, the day you press it, is going to be the absolute freshest, and it just tastes so bomb. I've been obsessed with this juicer ever since I got it. I have days that I juice. So I batch juice. What that means is I take a bunch of bottles, slap it on the table, and I buy all the veggies, fruits, everything that I want, and I just juice for an hour or however long it's going to take to get me enough to kind of take me through the week, so that I don't have to continuously come back and create these juices. With batch juicing, I get these little jars, and I put it in here once I'm done. Because I can make so much with the Namawell juicer, with the J2 juicer, I can juice most of my veggies, and these are 16-ounce jars, and I have enough for me and him. So yes, it requires purchasing a lot of veggies, but it's fun. Like, just knowing that you're putting these healthy ingredients into your body, and not only that, like playing around with recipes and different ingredients has been a whole lot of fun. We are a spice girl, spice boy. We love spice in this house. So we try many different things, from adding all of our healthy greens and then adding jalapeno or ginger or whatever it is to the juice. Namawell Juicer is just so phenomenal. It has literally honestly changed my life, and at this point I've only had it for couple of weeks, and I'm going to be sharing my juices here on this channel with you guys. That's going to be part of my health segment, part of the healthy stuff that I do. So if you are interested in that, that's every reason to hit subscribe and every reason to turn on your post notification bell so you can know when I'm dropping these juice recipes. The cleaning process of this juicer is also very easy because you can take the whole piece off of the juicer and put it into the dishwasher, and oh my god, when I tell you, like, life-changing, lifesaver, like, that is all I've ever wanted. I like the nooks and crannies of all these different other juice brands have been the reason why I could not stand juicing, and now I absolutely love it. So the Nama J2 cold press juicer can be found on namawell.com. No, this is not sponsored whatsoever, but hey, Namawell, if you see this video, your girl would love to take a second juicer because she is obsessed. But anyways, if this is a less prep, it's hands-free. It really is easy to clean, and the fact that you can just batch so much in one, and not even just that. Some juicers you have to really chop up the items and stick it in there and wait for it and hold the little thing down. That is like my pet peeve. This, you can throw all of the veggies in. All of them in. I still have a habit of chopping stuff up just because that's my MO. Like, I want to make sure things like last for as long as possible, but you literally can just chop the stuff up and throw it in there. If you wanted more pulp situation, they give you another strainer. Change out the strainer if you want it to have a little bit more pulp, and I love that there's those options. I'm a no pulp girl. I will even add an extra strainer on top to really make sure there's no pulp in there. I can attest that for the most part that there's no pulp going into any of these juices. So in like, I don't even know, it feels like 30 seconds flat, you could have a 16-ounce juice. I have also been getting into making little shots, so here's one right here, and I've been batching those as well. These are like, I've been doing like little ginger shots with like a little bit of apple or something in it. But the burning question y'all are probably all asking after I sat here and just really sold you on this, I know. So this thing comes in black and white. Mine is black, obviously. The things in my house are mostly black, so I love the black one, and it's like doesn't show dirt and stains or anything like that. The price of the Nama J2 cold press juicer is $550. I know. It's kind of a lot for a juice. If you are serious about your juicing journey, this is going to be an investment towards your health. So when I saw it in that way, it was an easy purchase for me. And I'm out here buying Starbucks and other juices from other places. By the time you rack all that up, I've probably spent enough to purchase this juicer. So I was like, let me just do it. And again, best decision ever. If you go on namawell.com, the reviews are insane. Everybody loves their juicer, and yeah, it's totally worth it. They do have one below that's $3.99. I'm not going to talk towards that because I've never had it. It also has amazing reviews as well, but I do love the fact that this juicer has the dual side, and it's just like super easy to clean. I don't have to do the whole mashing of like the fruits, and so I can literally throw it in and walk away, and it's all good. So with that being said, I just wanted to come on here and share my juicer with you guys. Welcome to my juice journey. Thank you so much for following along with me on this journey. I hope that you also come with me on it. I am trying to encourage as many people as I can, because the way I feel, my skin is glowing, it's unreal, my hair is growing, my nails growing, everything is just like doing what it's supposed to do. Thank you so much for watching this video. I love you guys so much, and I will catch you guys in my next vibe video. Bye.